In the last tutorial I talked about forces, now something different. Geometric patterns in 3D CAD are powerful time-saving techniques. A huge variety of features can be constructed in geometric patterns. The key word here though is geometric. MechDesigner allows you to pattern mechanism phases as well. For example, if we are designing a chain system with each link carrying a mechanism, we need only model one link. The remaining links can be obtained by adding a pattern function block and phase patterning. I will try and demonstrate this feature in MechDesigner using the example of an epicyclic gear arrangement. I have designed the mechanism with a trace path with 4 cusp points. These are useful in carton opening mechanisms. First, I add a very simple solid to represent the tool that will pick up the carton, for example. Next, I add a pattern function block and double click on it so that I can edit its properties. First, enable the pattern function block. I want a phase pattern, not a standard geometric pattern. Then I select the solids that I want to pattern by unlocking the edit area and making my selection. And finally, I specify the number of phase duplications. In this case, I want 4 because I have 4 cusps to exploit. Each phase is equispaced as shown in the phases area. At each machine angle, 3 extra phases are computed in addition to the 0 phase. So for example, if the machine angle is say 10 degrees, then 3 additional machine angles will be computed at 100, 190 and 280 degrees. If we want the crank driving the gears to index, then adding a motion to achieve this has an undesirable effect. The non-linearity of the indexing motion causes the additional phases to be drawn in different positions. You may or may not want this effect. If you do not, then you can edit the pattern by selecting the motion dimension that has introduced the non-linearity in the phase calculations. MechDesigner will then linearize this motion dimension when it is calculating the additional phase positions. You can also hide or show individual solids depending on their phase. This is useful if you want to represent products moving through your machine. Do this by opening the Phase Visibility tab and selecting the solid whose visibility you want to control. The phase edit window will appear when you click the button. You can change the visibility by selecting a node and editing its value using the edit box. If you have the mechanism cycling, you will see the solid disappearing at the selected phase. Solids will disappear when the specified phase equals the machine angle plus the solid's phase offset. The effect is that the solids will appear and disappear at the same position on the screen. This has been a very quick look at patterns. More details are available in the online help. The next tutorial is going to look at using design sets and show how they can help you quickly improve your design.